Hey everyone, this is second part of Pedagogy MCQ with answers. I am trying to cover whole pedagogy section. Let's start with question number 53. The advantage of a teaching method to a teacher is options are the method direct the teacher's teaching, the method make the content simple and understandable, the method formulate the artistic aspect of teaching, and the option D is all the above. The correct option is D, all the above. Next question, the micro teaching is related with options are teaching technique, teaching strategy, teaching models, and option D is all the above. The correct option is B, teaching strategy. Next, the independent variable in teaching process is options are teacher, student, headmaster or clerk. The correct option is A, teacher. Next, Rousseau is favored for sense training, sense learning, learning by doing procedure, and option D is all the above. And the correct option is C, learning by doing procedure. Next question. Present interest, this is the motive power, the only motive power which takes us far and safely. We learn nothing from a lesson we detest. This statement said by whom? Options are Gandhi, Rousseau, Froebel, and option D is none, and the correct option is B, Rousseau. Next question. Teaching is a multi-dimensional exercise of the options are educants and parents, option B teachers and learners, option C living organism, and option D is bird, and the correct option is C, living organism. Next question. Teaching is an interpersonal influence in changing the behavior potential of another person. Who explain? And the options are Woodworth, Thorndike, N.L. Gass, and Spencer. The correct option is C, N.L. Gass. The famous book Emily was written by, and the options are Rousseau, Plato, Dewey, Persinan, and the correct option is A, Rousseau. Next question. There should be no verbal lesson, the pupil should be taught by experience alone. This statement was given by options are Froebel, Rousseau, Nunn, Dewey, and the correct option is B, Rousseau. Next question. The term motive is derived from the options are Latin term, Greek term, Indian term or German term, and the correct option is A, Latin term. Thorndike was a famous psychologist of options are England, America, India, Russia. The correct option is America. Next question. In higher level of education, simple to complex cannot be the best method of options are learning, teaching, both A and B, and option D is none of the above, and the correct option is B, teaching. Next question. The major defect of lecture strategy is, and the options are passive class, unpsychological, lacks in motivation, and option D is all the above, and the correct option is D, all the above. Next question. The basic aim of heuristic strategy is, and the options are to train students in scientific method, to train students in observation skills, to enhance self-confidence in the students, to enhance the knowledge of permanent nature in students, and the correct option is A, to train students in scientific method. Next question. The fundamental theory of project method is, options are principle of purposiveness, principle of activity, principle of utility, and option D is all the above, and the correct option is D, all the above. Next question. The problem solving strategy is born from, and the options are idealism, naturalism, pragmatism, and option D is realism, and the correct option is C, pragmatism. Next question. Which one of the following is not the characteristics of question answer strategy? And the options are students activism, students passivism, students curiosity, students higher level thinking, and the correct option is B, students passivism. Next question. The natural of teaching process is, options are social, historical, scientific, and option D is geographical, and the correct option is A, social. Next, question 71. Teaching and learning are related. Options are with deep bond, option B fractional share, option C in fake form, option D in directly to each other, and the correct option is A with deep bond. The teaching process takes place options: option A from mature to immature person, option B in two equally matured person, option C from less mature to more mature person, and option D is none of the above. And the correct option is A from mature to immature person. Next, question number 73. Which one of the following is not the quality of teaching? And the options are: teaching makes learning process more effective, teaching has psychological foundation, teaching guides the students, teaching can be done by any person. Clearly the right option is D, teaching can be done by any person. Next question 74. When a teacher works as a philosopher, friend and guide, the teaching is called. Options are: general teaching, good teaching, friendly teaching, value oriented teaching. And the correct option is B, good teaching. Next, question number 75. Instruction can be given by. Options are: human being, machine. Option C is both A and B, and option D is none of the above. And the correct option is C, both A and B. Next question. The role of intervening variable in teaching process is a student because. Options are: diagnostic activities, remedial activities, evaluation related activities, and option D is all of the above. And the correct option is D, all the above. Next question. A teacher's duty is to. Options are: impart knowledge to pupils, help in developing social skills, values, habits, idea, and good relationship among pupils. Option C is organize co-curricular activities. Option D is develop leadership qualities in pupils by encouraging participation in school activities. And the correct option is A, impart knowledge to pupils. Next question. Gift and occupation were devised for young children to move their limits and minds by. Options are: Montessori, Gandhi, Froebel, Spencer, and the correct option is C, Froebel. Then next is: the present curriculum is defective because. Options are: it is examination oriented, it is rigid, it is not related to life, and the option D is all the above. And the correct option is D. The method of example and suggestion was favored by. Options are: Dewey, John Locke, Kohler, Thorndike, and the correct option is B. Learning by doing, learning by experience, learning by natural consequences, learning by sense training, learning by example. All these methods of teaching were favored by. Options are: Rousseau, Plato, Aristotle, Comenius, and the correct option is A. The theory of connectionism was introduced by. Options are: Thorndike, Rithmer, Kohler, Plato, and the correct option is A. Thorndike did extensive experiments with. Options are: man, animal, children, bird. And the correct option is B, animal. Next question. Thorndike established that learning is the result of connection or bond between. Options are: instinct and emotion, stimulus and response, memory and forgetting, attention and interest. Correct option is B, stimulus and response. Trial and error is options are: theory of learning, law of learning, method of learning, process of learning. Correct option is C. The theory of connectionism is also known as. Options are: reinforcement theory, Gestalt theory, theory of conditioning, and option D is all of the above. Correct option is reinforcement theory. Next question. The theory of conditioning was introduced by. Options are: Pavlov, Thorndike, Pavlov and Watson, and option D is Watson, and the correct option is C. Next question. According to trial and error method, learning depends on. Options are: mental exercise, physical exercise, social exercise, and option D is trial and error activities. Correct option is D. Next question. Who was the pioneer of classical conditioning? Pavlov, Skinner, Kohler. Correct option is Pavlov. Next question. Who is called as father of conditioning? and the answer is Kafka. Ivan Pavlov was a psychologist from answer is Russia. John Watson was a psychologist from answer is America. Who is the first psychologist working on instrumental conditioning? And the answer is Bakhterev. Next question. Insight is very simply means the ability to understand the truth about someone or something. Options are true, false, something true, none of the above, and the correct option is A, true. Learning is a part of life. Next question. The basis of learning is options are student, teacher, motivation, attention, and the correct option is C, motivation. Next question. Fatigue causes loss to efficiency in options are training, learning, thinking, motivation, and the right option is B. Learning is the modification of behavior through experience and training. Statement was given by options are Gates, Rose, Dewey, none, and the correct option is A. Next question. In democratic society, the role of the teachers are treated important than the roles of the parents, neighbors, students, or friends. Correct option is C, students. Gestalt is A. Options are Greek word, Latin word, German word, and option D is English word, and the correct option is German word. Gestalt means options are part, whole, square, round, and the correct option is whole. Next question. The theory of conditioning has its origin in the experiment with the options are fish, dog, mouse, bird, and the correct option is B, dog. Next question. The Gestalt theory of learning was invented by Kohler, Kafka, and Retheimer.